So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which named as Krish CAD Designer. So how are you? Today we are going to learn how to create 2D drawing in SolidWorks software. Who will know AutoCAD, then they will easily understand the commands in this software. Some commands of SolidWorks are similar to the AutoCAD software. In today's and in upcoming videos we will do some 2D drawings and thereafter we will go for 3D modeling, or we will say it as a part design. So this design is the part 1 of the Sketcher module. This is a drawing as you see on the screen. Please take a screenshot of this drawing and start drafting with me on your computers. We will firstly select on part modeling. Then select on front plane, which is left side of the screen. Then take a circle top of the screen from toolbar. And make some circle as shown in drawing. After making some circles, then we need to make some relation between them. So do as I do. Thereafter we will use Smart Dimensions command. By using this command we will give the dimensions as shown in drawing. So here we will saw and figure there will be 6 small circles on the perimeter of big circle. So here we will use circular sketch pattern command. To find this command we need click drop down sign of linear sketch pattern, which is on the toolbar. As you see, top of the drawing semicircle drawn between the two circle. For drawing this type of circle we will use perimeter circle. To use this circle we need select the perimeter of the both circle and draw between the both of the circles. Again, we need to select perimeter circle command for making the bigger circle. After making the circles, then we use trim command, which is also on toolbar. By clicking on this, there are a lot of options will open, but we will only use power trim. Drag your cursor from outside to inside the circle as I do to trim the unwanted part of the circle. Take a line command from the toolbar, top circle to downward circle. After that, delete the circle on which the 6 circles are drawn. Fully defined, you work with dimensions for perfect output. So here our drawing will completed. I hope you will easily understand these things which I told you in this video. If you have any query regarding this video, so please ask me in comments. I will surely answer your questions. So thank you very much watching this video. For learn new things, stay tuned with us. I hope you will like this video, so please like and subscribe us. And share this video to your friends.